Hello, good morning. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini's Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. So keep in mind these are general love readings. This might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, and this is a reading from 22nd of July till 31st of July. So let's start. So Gemini, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Gemini. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, Page of Wands. So I feel like your partner wants to start this connection all over again. They want to communicate with you. They want to tell you something. This is the Page of Wands. And this is a brand new feeling that they have found for you. Brand new passion that they have found for you. So this is a new feeling for them as well. They are feeling like, why the hell am I feeling like this? This is their current energy, by the way. And if you guys are married, you could be hearing a good news very soon, because this is card of pregnancy as well, fertility as well. Let's clarify the Page of Wands in their current energy. Let's see. Let's see what their current energy is. Page of Wands, Two of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and Death. Could be dealing with a Scorpio here, or any air sign. Might be Libra. I'm getting Libra. I don't know why. So yes, this person might be was very closed off in the recent past. This person was on the crossroads whether to talk to you or whether to send you a message or not. Now they are clear that they want to talk to you, because I feel like in the past, in the recent past, you can say, or beneath the surface, the energy is still present that you guys broke up with each other. There was ending of this relationship. There was ending of this connection all over, and they were on the crossroads whether to message you or not. They're typing messages and they're deleting it. This is happening. They're typing it and they're deleting it. They're typing it and they're deleting it. And this is the, a very confident I am now that they want to text you, they want to talk to you, they want to have brand new connection with you. But this is kind of immature energy. They don't know where they want to go with you. But yes, they want to text you, they want to talk to you. This is for sure, Gemini. This is for sure. And there are two pages here. For sure, I feel like your partner is pregnant, whosoever is married or are connected on that level. Okay, or if they are not pregnant, there are very high chances that they can get pregnant. So use precautions if you don't want a baby in your hands. Okay, so let's see your current energy, Gemini. Your current energy right now is Empress. Again, the card of fertility. This is a very fertile period for you guys, Gemini. So please take some kind of precautions if you guys want to, because I can see you guys getting pregnant. The Empress card is here. For some of you, if you are feeling like, if you are having this kind of connection with your partner, you are soon going to be pregnant, or you have already conceived a kid. So take your precautions if you want, if you don't want this pregnancy, if this is unwanted for you. And if it is a good news for you, then congratulations. So yes, this is your current energy. Right now you are focusing on yourself only, your money, your free will, your happiness. You want to see the world and do everything that you love to do. Okay, you are not giving a fuck to anybody right now. You are just trying to be as good looking as possible, and trying to be flirtatious, and trying to be, might be trying to have one night stands for some of you, not all of you obviously. But yes, the energy is present here. You are acting all creative and cool, and just trying to be yourself. Nice. Nice. It's an excellent card. Excellent. It's an excellent card for pregnancy and fertility. So please be aware of that. Let's clarify. Oh, Five of Cups and the Three of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. So it is like you are deeply hurt. You are deeply hurt because somebody betrayed you, somebody walked away from you, and now you are trying your best to work on yourself, work on your business, work on your money, trying to look good, trying to feel good, trying to flirt with other people, trying to show the other people that yes, you are very happy. But I feel like, seriously, Gemini, I don't feel like you are seriously happy from inside, but you're trying your best to show the world that you're really happy, and you are working on yourself, and you're working on your self-esteem. So this is basically a show off that you are carrying right now. You are deeply hurt, by the way. Deeply hurt because of somebody walked away, or somebody broke up with you, or somebody just broke your heart, and you're trying your best to look good, feel good, and be like this, be a diva. This is what you are doing right now, Gemini. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Eight of Pentacles. So I feel like this person wants to start this connection all over again. They are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side. They are ready to put in all the hard work from their side to make this connection work out. This is what they feel for you. They feel like they should work on this connection. They feel like they should give this connection another chance. Okay? They are now ready to put in the effort and put in the energy from their side. So let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles in their feelings for you. It is like right now they are paying so much attention to all the details of what you are doing, what you are going through, or what you are, currently doing in your life, whatever it is. Like this person is watching you, and this person is feeling like you're really happy, but you are deeply sad, Gemini. I can see that. I can feel that, okay? But this person is really feeling like that you are really happy in your life, and so I feel like this person wants to come towards you. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles. Ace of Cups. See, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. Oh gosh. Okay, so I feel like now I am feeling like there's a third party interference here in this connection. Might be from your side, might be from their side. I don't know. But yes, there is a third party connection here, the third party interference here. Because I feel like this person is carrying love for you, and this person is carrying some kind of passion, or some kind of, you can, physical feelings for the another one. This is a very complicated situation here. So it is like this person is feeling love for you because they are feeling like you are very stable. And for some of you, the third party situation is not for all of you, but for some of you, I can see there is two people here, and this person is feeling like you both are equally important to them. That is why might be this person just wants to come towards you, and they don't know what the future will be. They are not serious about the future. They just want to be in the present with you. This is the same thing. This person is very, very passionate about you. Okay, so they are feeling love for you. They are feeling lots of overwhelming emotions for you, because they can see that you are being very, very stable and practical and down to earth. You are exploring new things. You are looking good. You are feeling good. You are, right now this person is deeply feeling like you are doing something good in your life. That's why they want to come back to you and put in the effort and put in the energy. And they can see that you are looking so sexy and attractive to them. You are looking so fucking sexy and hot to them. That's why they want to come back to you. Okay, so there are two stories. I feel like this person is connected with two people at the same time, and they're not able to decide which one is a good one for them. First story. The second story that I'm getting here is that this person is feeling like you are stable, you are doing really good in your life, and you are looking good. You are like, you are just looking gorgeous and looking hot to them, and that's why this person wants to come back to you. Okay, okay. So Gemini, let's see what this person wants from you actually. Let's see. Seven of Wands. So this person wants, what this person wants from you is that they want, you should not control each and everything. You should not be this much defensive. Might be you're acting defensive towards them, cold and often detached towards them. So this person wants you to come out of this defensive state and come out of this detachment state and be open and honest with them. Just be flexible with them. Let them talk to you. This is what they want. Might be you are blocking them. Might be you block them from social media sites or calls or something like that. So this person wants you to unblock them and talk to them and give them another chance. This is what they want from you. Let's clarify the Seven of Wands. Eight of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Three of Cups. Yeah, this person wants a reconciliation with you. See, I told you. So this person is feeling like you are mentally very, very conflicted, and you are doing really good in your life. This is what they are feeling right now. Again and again and again, I'm feeling like this person is feeling a little jealous of you, because they are feeling like you're doing really good without them, and that is why this person is feeling like you should have a reconciliation with them. They want you to open them. They want you to unblock them and talk to them and give them a chance to have a reconciliation. This is what they want from you. This is what they want from you. Okay, Gemini. Let's see what to expect from this person till oops. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till 31st of July. Let's see. The Chariot. They are very determined to come towards you. They are very, very determined to come towards you. The Chariot. This person is coming back towards you. I'm 100% sure. Gemini, for some of you, if this story is resonating till now, this will be the outcome, that they are very very determined to get you and talk to you and start this connection all over again. They are just very determined to do that. Okay, let's clarify the Chariot. See, this person wants to, just come towards you. Okay, because they are feeling like the connection is over with the third party. What the fuck? Yeah, this person wants to rush in, and this person wants to start this connection all over again, because this person is feeling like the obsessiveness or the toxicity with the third party is over. Now they can come towards you, and they are very determined to come towards you, very very determined to get you and talk to you. This is the situation here, because I feel like this person is feeling like now they are over from the toxicity, now they are over from the third party, now they can come towards you because the worst is over. Now they want to rush into this connection with you, because they are feeling like you are looking good, you are doing really good in your life, you are looking all sexy and all good, and this person wants you back. Yeah, Gemini. Ooh. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the next I was about to say lecture. So I'll see I'll I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye. God bless you.